Good morning, children. Safety first, the 10th lesson. Safety means protecting oneself from getting hurt. If we carefully follow safety rules, we can keep ourselves and those around us safe. So, safety means, children, protecting ourselves from getting hurt, and we can carefully follow some safety rules and keep ourselves and those who are around us safe. Okay, at home, what are the safety measures? First one, never talk to strangers. If a stranger asks you to open the door, call a groom up. Like, call your elders if any stranger is come. First, you have to not directly open the door. Just see through the windows, and then if you know the person, you should open the door. Okay. The second point, do not touch electric gadgets like ovens, geysers and toasters with wet hands. Never touch a hot iron, so you might get shocked. Okay, children. Third one, do not play with or touch sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors and tools. Do not touch electric wires and switches with wet hands. Do not play with matchsticks. Okay, children, you have to never touch these sharp objects if you because elders know how to handle them, so they take these objects and do their work. Okay, and you have to never play with matchstick also. You will not know where it will get fire. Okay, so never play with matchsticks also. The next, do not run down a staircase. You would fall and get hurt. So never run on a staircase, children. You will fall and get hurt. Do not leave your bags, toys, etc. on the floor. Someone may trip over them and fall. Stay away from fire. Do not light matchsticks or gas stoves. Do not leave your toys on the floor. See here, children. If you leave the toy on the floor, you might tend to keep your leg on that and slip and fall down. Okay. So whenever you all play, after you all finish playing, you should keep back the things in their proper places. Okay. In school, do not leave your school with a stranger. If somebody comes and calls you near the school, please don't go with them. So only we leave you all when your parents come in, no, children. If he or she still asks you to leave with them or her, then call your teacher. So we tell you all, no, don't go before telling us. Yes, you should show us who is come to pick you, and then you should go with them. Okay, children. And if you know them only, do not run inside the class or jump over desks or benches, as it can be dangerous. Okay, so whenever you are in the class, children, you will be sitting. You should never jump or run in the class or over the desk or benches and all, because it is very dangerous. You might fall down and get seriously hurt. Okay, the corners of the desk are sharp and can get hurt you badly. Do not run in the school corridors. So whenever you are going for washroom, children, remember, please don't run. So only we tell you not to run. Never run up or down a staircase. You may stumble or have a bad fall. So you may stumble means you might roll down, like you will fall down. Okay. Do not rock your chair. You might lose your balance and fall down. So we tell you all not to rock your chairs when you are sitting. Okay. You will lose your balance and fall down. Do not push others while coming out or going in your class. Whenever you are going for washroom or you are coming inside to the class, never push other children. Okay, or when you are standing in the lines also, children, never push the front child. So you might fall on each other and all, and you will get hurt. If you get hurt or fall ill, go to the sick room. So whenever you are not well, you all will surely inform us, and then we will see what to be done. Like, we'll call your parents and we'll send you all. So that is thing they are telling us. So otherwise, we have a medical room, there we send you all. Yes. On the road. So what are the safety rules we should follow on the road? Walk on the footpath, not in the middle of the road. Never run across, play on the road. Okay, always cross the road at a zebra crossing. So you have to always walk on the footpath, never walk in the middle of the road or run or play on the road. Always cross the road at a zebra crossing with a grown up to cross with a grown up. So always cross the road at a zebra crossing with a grown up. So can you see here? So usually you go with your elders only out. So whenever you are out with your elders, you should walk on the zebra crossing only when you are crossing the road. So to cross the road, first look to your right, then left, then right again. If both sides are clear, only then cross the road. Stand in a line while getting on a bus. Get on or off the bus only after it has stopped completely. So children, you have to stand in a line when you are getting on a bus. Yeah, or getting on or off the bus after it is completely stopped. So when the bus stops completely, then you should get down or get into the bus. Okay. Next, in a car, sit on the back seat and wear the seat belt. So in the car, children, you have to always wear the seat belt. When you sit inside a car or bus, do not stick your head or hand out of the window. So whenever you sit in a bus or children in the car also, you should take care that you should not put your head or your hand out of the windows. Okay, do not disturb the driver also. You should never talk to the driver much, like otherwise the driver is disturbed. In the playground, what are the safety measures we should take care? We should play only in a park or a playground. Okay, we should not play near any water body or a road. So what is this water body? Any river, pond, or like that. You should never play at the side of the river or water bodies. Like you should not play on a road. You should always play on a playground. You should play in a park or a playground. Okay, do not stand on swings or slides. When you are swinging, yes, you should not stand and swing. Okay children, because you are very small, you will fall down. Or slides also, whenever I have seen now, whenever we allow you all to play, you all go the opposite way on the slides. You should not do like that. Okay, always wait for your turn. Don't push each other. Always get home before dark. Yes, you should get home. Mama is always worried, right? Because of your safety, she is worried. So as it gets dark, as it turns evening, you should get back to your home. And when you go out, stay close to your parents. You should never leave your parents and roam about, or the grown-ups or your elders, whoever are with you. You should always be to them. Okay, otherwise you will get lost and you will be not found. Okay, it will be a problem to your parents, right, searching you all. So better you always be with your parents or your elders, whoever are with you. Okay, do not go to the crowded places alone. If you are lost, ask a policeman or a security guard to help you. Children, nowadays I think so everyone knows your parents' number, right? So anything happens like that, you should ask a policeman. You should ask the policeman for the help, or the security guard, whoever is there. Ask them to give their mobile or anything. Call your parents and intimate them that you are there with these people. Okay, so that they'll also be not worried and they will get the place where you are. Do not touch things which do not belong to you. Never touch anybody else's things, children, which do not belong to you. Okay, now a first aid box. Whenever you are going out, children, like you are going out for a tour or anywhere, like some or the other thing will happen, or anything might take place, like small accident can take place. So always carry a first aid box. In that first aid box, you should have a Dettol, a dusting powder, okay, bandage, scissor, and like the Dettol cleanser and all. Okay, so that these small things will help you to cure the hurt initially. Like after that you can go to the hospital, but initially you have to clean, or you have to treat yourself with these things only. If you or someone else gets hurt, okay, call a grown up, then can you give the first aid and call a doctor. So first you have to treat yourself with the first aid box, and then call a doctor and show to the doctor. Okay, so this is about how to take care and how to be safe in the school, in the ground, okay, at home, and whenever we go out. Okay, thank you children.